Hey guys, and welcome back. Doing a brake job on this Opel Astra. If you already seen my short on this Opel Astra brake job, you know what's wrong. And I've already had this apart, so the piston is already retracted. So you want to start off by removing this upper 13mm bolt and this lower 13mm bolt. And like I told you, I've been here before, so the piston is retracted into its bore. Now, these were the pads, and the other one is so thin that it goes between the rotor and the mounting bracket. I wonder how loud the stereo was. And we can remove these shims. And clean this surface. And this upper. Okay. Now we want to put some copper paste right here. And yes, the rotors are in need of replacement as well. But the owner of this car are on a tight budget. How does this look? Not too bad. Snap that in place, and the other one. Snap that in place. Now I like to put some copper paste on these bases. And snap that into place. That's one. Put this one into place. Like so. And you want to make sure these slide pins move freely. And they do. Good. And we start the upper bolt. And the lower. And not enough clearance. Have to use this open end on this upper bolt. And you don't need to kill it. Just make it not go anywhere. Yep. Nice and free. Now we wanna step on the brakes a few times to seat the piston. So now it's just a matter of replacing the wheel. I'll give it. Come on. Now we wanna double check. Yeah, that's it. Well guys, now you know how to replace the rear brake pads on this Opel Astra. And as always, like and subscribe guys. You will see me in the next one. See ya!